Hello everyone. So we are going to discuss about section 22 of Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code 2016. So this particular section of the IBC deals with appointment of a resolution professional. There are mainly four or five subsections within this section. So talking about subsection 1 of section 22, it says that the first meeting of the committee of creditors shall be held within 7 days of the constitution of the committee of the creditors. अगर एक बार कमिटी ऑफ क्रेडिटर्स फॉर्म हो गई तो उसके 7 दिन के अंदर अंदर आपको पहली मीटिंग करनी पड़ेगी कमिटी ऑफ क्रेडिटर्स की. नाउ सेकंड subsection of section 22 says the committee of creditors may in the first meeting by a majority vote of not less than 75% either resolve to appoint interim resolution professional as a resolution professional or to replace the interim resolution professional by another resolution professional. So it says that once the committee of creditors is formed, the first meeting of the committee of creditors will take place within 7 days of its formation, and in that first meeting there will be a process of voting, and by that process of voting either of the two decisions have to be made. One decision is the interim resolution professional can be appointed as the final resolution professional, or the second decision can be that we can replace the existing interim resolution professional, and in his place we can place or appoint another resolution professional. So either of these two decisions can be made, but the decision will be taken on the basis of majority vote of not less than 75%. That means at least 75%.